we're going to be working with the Nutella brand. I feel like they're kind of part of our family here because Joey Cole, our fabulous, you know Joey.
Oh, he loves Nutella.
Our fabulous warm-up guy. He has spread his love of hazelnut spread onto all of us. So anyway, this is a fun project. So mornings can be very crazy for moms. So Mary's going to show everybody some fun and easy ways to get your kids excited about breakfast.
Absolutely. So this is one of my favorite breakfast snacktivities. I love to have a little
snacktivity.
It's an interactive, fun thing you can do. So I'm using for this one, we're going to be making waffles with the Nutella hazelnut spread, which is just because I'm a cool mom. So we're going to do whole milk. And then some eggs.
You know, these stand up. I call them Sir Whisk-a-Lot.
I love these, by the way.
Because he stands up.
And then we're going to put
Sir Whisk-a-Lot.
just a little bit of vanilla, because
let me here swap and out.
All right, we'll put the butter in. All right, and then I'll put all my dry. So I use whole wheat.
I'll do the wet.
Whole wheat and regular flour. See, we're a real team, like Lucy and Ethel. Okay.
Boy, that's right.
Then sugar, baking powder. And then we have a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of salt. Okay, and then we'll mix this all together. The cinnamon I love. My Aunt Carol actually puts cinnamon in pancakes, and I love a little addition of the cinnamon.
I love cinnamon. I do a little nutmeg too sometimes.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, I love nutmeg.
I love that. Okay.
I'm a nut for nutmeg.
You're a nut from nutmeg. So this is our batter, and this is fun because I let Gala. She loves using the little this little thing, the whisker.
The Sir Whisk-a-Lot.
The Sir Whisk-a-Lot.
He's Sir Whisk-a-Lot.
He's Sir Whisk-a-Lot.
He stands up.
You've spent enough time in kitchens, you start to name, right? You start to name.
I do.
Okay.
It's sad, really. I talk to my vegetables.
All right. Now that's some beautiful batter there, right?
Lovely.
So we have a little extra butter maybe from that, maybe a little bit there. We could squeeze out. Perfect.
I gotcha.
And then, again, another Rachel tip that I learned from you. Okay, I think that's good. Is you take this guy.
You take the doodad?
Yep, this doodad. And then you I love the sound. Isn't that great? All right, so we're gonna make 4 of these. And this is gonna be how we start building our waffle sandwich. We're gonna make these beautiful babies.
By the way, this is 4 waffles. This is not 1 waffle.
Yes. We don't do things small here. So those will cook. Now,
like my sister, she thinks that this is 1 unit. I'm like, dude, that's 4 waffles.
That's 4 waffles.
This isn't going to be enough batter.
No, we got it.
Because in the restaurants they send out really 4 pieces and they tell you it's a waffle, but that's not true.
Okay, so then once these are done, we have our beautiful waffles. They're on the cooling rack. So how we're going to build the sandwich is we have the waffle, then we're going to have this delicious Nutella hazelnut spread. Now, I fell in love with Nutella. I lived in Italy as a student, and it was available everywhere, and I was like, wow, this is heaven. Okay, then we're going to put this on top, okay? Right?
Oh, calm it down, Joe.
Like, how great is that, okay? Then we're gonna turn wheelies right over to him. Then this is how we make our little, so these are going to be Nutella waffle skewers.
Okay.
Okay, so then we're gonna put our delicious fruit, and then we're gonna put a sandwich on top, and then we're gonna go, ta-da!
It's like a breakfast club.
I mean, hello, is that delicious?
Cute.
Okay.
They're adorable. They really are adorable.
Really good, and they're fun to make.